waiting for Kuya Derek to get off work. So this is how I do when we're on a parking lot where we're not moving. So just have to shake her car seat. So it's like a pretend. So this is kind of like popular spot over here because it's shaded. Usually this is like there's a lot of people here, but we got lucky today and we're able to set up here. Derek just got off from work sa niya outfit pan trabaho iya outfit, naka long sleeve, naka diri pan summer niya outfit. It's 29 degrees in the shoe shop. We're at Sandy Beach. Mommy is sleeping. Nanadali ang reaction niya sa tubig. So this is one of the marinas here in Blind Bay. That's called Bayside Marina, and then the other one is Fins, just behind that trees there. So it's one of 3 or 4 here in Blind Bay, Eagle Bay area. The water just starting to subside, so we're able to enjoy some summertime here in the Shuswap. And by the way, that's MacArthur Heights, overlooking Copper Island, Scotch Creek, and Blind Bay, of course. So this should be our first day on the beach, but she is sound asleep. So it's like fresh air and the sound of the water kinda puts her down to sleep.
Ha? Sakto lang.
Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Yeah, what can you say about it? Huh? Hello? Hello? Hi! Oh, di ba na? Look at that. Huh?
Mga reaction ay tawagin.
No reaction? Di ba mga baby nakakuha ng tail nga to?
Yan eh. Kaya sa tubig mo kasi tubig kanina.